Namaskara, my divine family, and welcome to Panchapot, a weekly reading which will help you define and navigate through this week in 5 areas of your life: spirituality, finance, business and work, your personal relationships, and your personal health. Hi, I'm Shweta, and I'm a Mokshpat trainer and expert. And today, I bring to you this beautiful program created by the eternal learners of transcending beliefs.
नमस्ते, मैं हूँ मीनू, आपकी दोस्त, आपकी साथी. I am an energy therapist and a divination expert. Today I am going to give you the guidance for January 1st week, which is January 6th to January 12th for your health according to Mokshpat board. इस सप्ताह आपकी हेल्थ अच्छी रहेगी, बट एसिडिटी, इंडाइजेशन, ब्लोटिंग ये कुछ सिम्टम्स आपको फेस करने पड़ सकते हैं. तो जिनको पहले से प्रॉब्लम है पहले से वो अपनी प्रॉपर केयर लें. जिनको नहीं है वो भी अपना ध्यान रखें. अपनी फिजिकल बॉडी का पीएच बैलेंस मेंटेन करें. ड्रिंक अल्कलाइन वाटर, जिसकी इंफॉर्मेशन आपको गूगल पर मिल जाएगी. संतुलित आहार लें जिसमें फैट्स, कार्ब्स, विटामिन्स, मिनरल, प्रोटीन सभी पर्याप्त मात्रा में. एंड ट्राई टू अवॉइड द फूड व्हिच कैन कॉज indigestion or acidity. Also try not to be a couch potato. We all know it's cold outside, but at least do some exercise or morning walk or practice yoga pranayam, जिससे आपकी हेल्थ अच्छी रहेगी. अगर आप इन सब बातों का ध्यान रखते हैं तो ना सिर्फ आपकी सेहत अच्छी होगी बल्कि आपकी स्किन भी ग्लो करेगी. तो स्वस्थ रहें, मस्त रहें. मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीक नई गाइडेंस के साथ. टिल देन स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड स्टे ब्लेस्ड. विशिंग यू ऑल अ वेरी हैप्पी न्यू ईयर. बाय.
Namaste Divine Souls. This is Alpa with your Voice Portal program for the period of 6th January, 12th January 2025 regarding relationships. This is a beautiful phase to strengthen your relationships and elevate them with genuine care and understanding. It's time to focus on open communications, letting go of biases and showing unconditional love. Building healthy relationships begin with self-awareness. When you nurture your relationship with yourself, you naturally extend that harmony to others. Don't forget your connections with nature, as it can ground and inspire you to find balance in your interactions. Decluttering in relationships means releasing grudges, addressing unresolved conflicts, and removing emotional clutter that creates distance. Simplify your connections by focusing on what truly matters: trust, respect, and mutual growth. Remember, strong relationships require effort, patience, and vulnerability. As the proverb says, a tree is known by its fruit, meaning the quality of our relationships reflects the love and care we invest in them. By fostering deeper connections, we are not only enriching your life but also creating a ripple effect of positivity around you. Thank you. Have a great ahead.
We're now halfway through this week's weekly reading. And before we move on, let me tell you one little secret about Mokshapat. If you've ever wished for a friend or a guide in your life who will always guide you on the right track to success, prosperity, spirituality, and growth, then Mokshapat will be that friend for you. Now, let's move ahead and watch the rest of the reading.
Namaste. Hello beautiful souls. Welcome to our Punch Portal series. Wish you all a very happy new year, and we hope this year offers fresh opportunities and dreams for all of us. My name is Karishma, and I'm going to talk about spirituality this week. Let's move forward to see what's in store for all of us for the month of Jan 2025, week 1, which is from 6th to 12th Jan. You are going to be spiritually inclined this week. You will fulfill all your roles as a human in all aspects of your life, meaning you will fulfill your role as a father, mother, daughter, son, etc. with purity and honesty. You will realize that you are a soul on a human journey and will be able to differentiate between the two. Your daily routine life as a human being needs that spirituality to help you ascend higher and evolve in your life. You also will be able to tap into your deeper dimensions like inner wisdom and intuitions. This week, you also will align with your higher purpose and will embark on your internal journey of self-discovery. You know in your heart that you have to follow your dharma of responsibilities that you have right now. But you also have to connect with the divine. This journey will create a lot of positivity in and around you. This will help you, guide you to be on the right path because you will be in line with the divine energies. Just a word of caution, if you feel you are dwelling into negativity, judgments, criticism, destructive thinking, just shift your focus. Take advice from a reliable spiritual source. Practice meditation or any spiritual practice should help you be on the right path. Thank you. Namaste.
Namaste. A warm welcome to all beautiful people on this first episode of Punch Portal of the year 2025. Wishing you all a very happy, abundant and blessed new year. I'm Shashi Sethi, your devoted Mokshpata reader and trainer, bringing for you the cosmic guidance of the Mokshpata board for the week of 6th January to 12th January 2025 in regard to business and profession. The general reading for this week is on a positive box. You will be guided towards capable and responsible decision making with assertiveness and confidence. You should delegate tasks and empower team members for better results at workplace. Be open to feedback and diverse perspectives too. The business prospects will flourish if you embody the principle of seva or selfless service and focus on collective good without desire of personal gain by offering pro bono services. The guidance for this week from the board is to apply skills and knowledge actively in practical career decisions and learn when to follow and when to lead. This is the time to apply the right business knowledge and strategies while staying committed and communicating honestly with integrity. It is essential to have clarity about the right knowledge for informed decision making. To sum it up, you can conduct business with integrity and ethical consideration by fostering success through abundance mindset and collaboration efforts. Signing off, this is Shashi Sethi. Stay tuned for more updates in the coming weeks.
Namaste and a very happy new year to one and all. I'm Shilpa Shah and I'm honored to be here today to share the reading from Punch Portal on the topic of finance for the first week of January 2025. This week is like a fertile ground, a chance to plant seeds for the year ahead. Just as Mother Earth provides us with resources unconditionally, we must approach finance with a mindset of balance and responsibility, not just for ourselves but for the greater good. Begin by grounding yourself in your financial reality. Understand your resources, your income, savings and expenses, and create a budget that reflects not just your needs but also provides room to give back, whether through supporting local businesses, donating or investing in sustainable ventures. This week, think about how your financial choices can serve others, how a finance can help build a stronger community, whether it's by sharing knowledge, providing opportunities, or supporting causes that matter. By treating your finance with care and purpose, you mirror the nurturing cycle of Mother Earth, creating a ripple effect which will bring growth and sustainability for yourself and those around you. And remember, every financial decision can make difference. Nurture just like how Earth nurtures and sustains life. Your careful financial habits can create positive, far-reaching effects. That is all for this week. Take good care of yourself, your health, and wealth. Thank you, one and all. Signing out with the hope to see you all soon.
That is all for this week. And I hope that this week's reading helps you create a week full of excitement, success, and growth. For more such videos and information, follow and subscribe our channel. And if you have a problem in your life, don't forget to DM us. I will definitely wait for your query and revert back to you. Thank you and see you all next week once again.